What's good? Today we're gonna learn about algebraic expressions and equations. So the difference between is right here, perfect. So an expression is the problem right here. An equation is the problem plus the answer. And this technically is not solved because what is x? And we know x is a variable, and this is what we use variables for in algebra, the placeholder, and you need to solve them. But, so, an expression and that's an expression, but if we say that equals to 0, now we have an equation. So we don't really mess with the expressions all that much, but it's good to know the difference just in case, If it has an equal sign in it, it's an equation. That's really all you need to know when it comes to expressions. Now close that. Now, we're going to learn how to solve algebraic equations. So it's all the solve for x stuff, You search it up, you get all these calculators, but screw them. We need to know how to use our brains, right? And so, say we're going to go back to the question, 5x plus 4 is equal to 0, right? So, to solve this problem, what you're going to do is you need to get x by itself. See how it's with this 4 and with this 5? We need to get them by itself. So, what we do is we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. Whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other. So it turns from this to this, which also equals this, right? And then you're going to divide, because since there's no sign in between the x and the 5, it's multiplying, right? So you're going to divide it by 5, so you get x, but you also have to divide this side by 5 too, and so the answer is x equals -4/5. That's how you solve it. And if you want to check it, all you have to do is you get the same equation, right? 5x plus 4 equals 0, and grab your answer, -4/5, and substitute it for, if I could type, -4/5. Substitute it, and you'll put parentheses, so you know, and as you do the math, and if it adds up, which it should, then boom, you got your answer right. That's how you solve most algebraic equations, and how the difference is. I can't speak, I'm tired, okay? But the difference between expressions and equations, and how to solve algebraic equations. Well, that's all for today, I guess. I'll see y'all.